Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to mount the e-cargo rear basket. For the job you're going to need a 5mm Allen key and a Phillips screwdriver. For some reason I've chosen a baby one, maybe to make my hand look bigger. Anyway, let's get started. So there's essentially two sections to the rear cargo basket. You've got the main metal basket section, and then there's also a plastic base plate to go in the bottom. Each section requires different bolts. So for the main basket you're going to need the larger, thicker bolts, each with a silver washer. And then for the base plate you're going to need 6 of these smaller bolts with the Phillips head, and each of them should have a little black washer. Okay, those little black washers are really easy to lose, as I can tell you from personal experience. So make sure you just kind of look after those. So we're going to start with the main cargo basket. I've already part mounted it. I've already mounted it on this side closer, just so that this video isn't just 5 minutes of me screwing in bolts. So one top tip when it comes to putting on the metal basket section, you might need to put a little bit of pressure down on certain sides in order to get the bolt to match up with the thread. Okay, so if at first glance things don't line up properly, don't worry about it. Just put a little bit of pressure down, you should be able to get things to line up. You do want to make sure it's the right way around. That sounds pretty obvious, but it might look like it's just a kind of uniform rectangular cage, but what you want is there's a little rectangular cutout section, and that should be towards the back. Okay, and the reason for that is it just sets the cage a little bit further back, and so it can sit underneath the saddle properly. So I've already done the bolts on this side, so we're just gonna mount it on this side, and just want to wash it on the bolt and then put a little bit of pressure down just to get the bolt to line up properly. And then very straightforward, just do up the bolt. Don't need to do it all the way to begin with. Get the other one. I always like to leave it a little bit loose and then just tighten absolutely everything up at the end. So once more, just put a little bit of pressure down on the cage, just so you can get the bolt to line up. And from there it should be pretty straightforward. Okay, and once we've done that, we're just going to go around all 4 of the mounting points. Just make sure everything is nice and tight. There we go. So that's it for the main basket. Next up, we're going to put on the plastic base plate, and you'll see in that basket there's these little silver threading points here, and so again you just want to make sure you get it lined up, and it'll be pretty obvious with this section, because when you put it down you won't be able to line up with the threading points. So then we're going to get our smaller little bolts with the Phillips screwdriver head, and I'm just going to put all 6 of those on. Again, just don't need to do it up super tight just to begin with. Two more. Oh, I nearly lost the washer there. The little black washers, yeah, they're very difficult to keep hold of. And that's the 6th one, and there you go. That is it done, really. So as I say, top tip: if the eyelets on the main cage don't line up, just put a little bit of pressure down, and it should drop down so that you can get it all lined up. But there you go.